Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti, and today I'm going to tell you 5 tips to have glowing skin. I'm so excited, so let's start. So, number one, you can use antioxidant rich serums or products. You also can eat antioxidant rich food. Antioxidants, they protect our skin from free radicals, they delay the signs of aging, also, they can bring the glow to your skin. And for an antioxidant rich serum, I have this one from Pure Bubbles. It is their vitamin C antioxidant serum, and I'm collaborating with them for this video. And this serum actually has very good ingredients. This one has 5% ethyl ascorbic acid. It has 5% vitamin C, so it can be very good for the beginners as well. Then azelaic acid derivative, licorice root extract, centaurea extract. It also has hydrating urea and sodium PCA to soothe the skin. And the texture of this serum, I really like it. It has this milky texture. It feels so nourishing on the skin. This serum actually has very good blend of antioxidants and hydrating ingredients, and I need these two things in my skincare routine for glowing skin, because whenever my skin feels like dehydrated, like I told you, my skin starts looking dull, and antioxidants, they're very good for skin's health. Okay, one extra tip I need to give you: before using any serum, shake it like this for 1 or 2 seconds, and you can use this for during the day and night. And for night, if you're using this, you can follow up with this one. This is another product from Pure Bubbles. This is their clarity lotion. This lotion actually has many oils that are rich in omega fatty acids. Though it has so many oils, still it doesn't feel greasy or heavy on the skin. I just need one pump. It nourishes the skin while being light. It has hydrating urea too, and I've been really enjoying this product. You may use this lotion day and night, but I prefer to use it during the night time, and together this work really well. And also I've tried their 5% niacinamide serum. That one also very good. And yeah, overall great stuff, and I am happy to work with them because their products are really good. They also have one composure serum. I'm kinda interested in that. I might buy that one. Okay, so next, the power of AHA. See, I love BHA too, but I have noticed from my personal experience, BHA, they mainly work on my blackheads, then if I have breakouts or sometimes textures. But AHA, they give me glowing skin. I love lactic acid, mandelic acid, even glycolic acid. If you are not including AHA in your skincare routine, you might be missing something great. I'm not telling you that AHA is gonna suit everyone, but you can try AHAs in your routine. Start with low percentage, maybe use it once in a week initially, then increase it to 2 to 3 times in a week. But don't over exfoliate your skin, because let me tell you, I used to exfoliate my skin like every day, and I thought my skin is gonna get glowing and all, but no, it doesn't, because over exfoliation is not good for your skin's barrier. And if your skin's barrier is not good, your skin is gonna look dull, your skin is not gonna glow, and your skin's gonna be sad. So do not over exfoliate. Exfoliate gently. And like I told you, I've seen AHAs, they really make my skin glow. Where BHA, they mainly worked on my blackheads, textures, and breakouts. PHAs, for me, they mainly felt hydrating, that's all. So yeah, for glowing skin, I'm a big fan of AHA. So number 3, I have started including hydrating skincare products in my skincare routine, and my skin feels so good. The glow is there. And this is a thing, I ignored toner for a long time. I thought, okay, toner is not needed. But these days, toners are being formulated with more and more soothing, hydrating ingredients. And you can use essence as well. What I'm trying to say is that hydrate your skin. Drink water, drink enough water. Also, you can use skincare products that can hydrate your skin, and it's very important to log the hydration as well. So use a good moisturizer or use facial oils if that suits you. And this is something extra I have noticed: with oil cleansing, my skin feels more glowing. See, I have used cream cleansers when my skin feels dry. Cream cleansers, they work really well. Even micellar water when my skin feels irritated or sensitized, I don't want to do too much. Micellar water is like everything. But for oil cleansers, I have been using oil cleansers these days more consistently, and I have seen my skin is better. Like my skin feels glowing. Also, I do this one thing, I massage oil on my skin for like 5 to 10 minutes. I do that once or twice in a month, and I see black kind of a thing, you know. I think those are sebaceous filaments. They come out. Even I see like, you know, dirt kind of a things coming out, which doesn't happen when I use oil cleansers or any oil on my skin for just 1 or 2 minutes. When I extend it like to 5 to 10 minutes, only then I see those things. And yeah, I think after that my skin feels more glowing. But one thing, if your skin cannot take oils, these are not for you. Stay away from oils or oil based products if your skin cannot take oils, or if you get fungal acne triggered by oils. So this is the thing. If you have like fungal acne that is happening because of oil, then use oil free products. You can use micellar water as a first cleanser for that case. But if your skin does well with oils, then you can try these things to see if these things help you or not. Even while using the oils, choose the oil that works best for you. Number 4, so this one is kind of hack. So when I want my skin to look extra glowing, what I do, I mix 1 or 2 drops of squalane with moisturizer. That makes my skin glow. It's like one instant hack or tip. Even when it comes to makeup, I mix liquid highlighter with foundation or tinted moisturizer. That makes my skin glow. Even strobing creams, I heard they can make your skin glow. So these are like quick fix that you can do to get glowing skin just like that. That oil with moisturizer method, it works really well for me. I use squalane because squalane is very lightweight. It goes well with like most of the moisturizers. So yeah, that's something I do. So lastly, I have this one rule for you, that is she. So in she, it stands for sleep, H stands for hydration, and E stands for exercise. So you need to do these 3 things. You need to sleep well, eat healthy, hydrate your skin, have water properly please, and exercise. These 3 things are must. See, skin is so much than skincare products. It's what you eat, it's how are you feeling, because I have noticed when I feel stressed, my skin looks dull. Then your genetics, so many things, your habits, many things come into play. Skincare products can help you out, but they also have their limitations. You have to develop healthy habits like overall. Then one thing, don't skip sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important. Use sunscreen whenever it's needed because it is going to protect you. And listen to one thing, if you eat like junk food a lot every day but you have very good skincare routine, I don't think it's gonna help you. I read something like you are what you eat. That might sound too extreme, but what you eat, it matters a lot. You know, what you're taking inside. So you cannot expect like miraculous results from a very good skincare routine if you have unhealthy lifestyle, unhealthy diet, you don't exercise at all. So these things do count. I see many people, they only blame skincare, like skincare stuff is not working for me, or skincare products are not helping me out, these are waste of time. It can be. Many products won't suit you. You might need a very simple skincare routine. Maybe you just need sunscreen and cleanser, that's all. It depends skin to skin. But there are people who don't consider, they have very unhealthy habits that they are not aware of, I think so, and they only think that skincare products can help them out, so they put their all expectation on those skincare products, and in that case obviously skincare products, they are bound to fail. So yeah, I thought you should know these things. So that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon. Bye bye.